let me show you a short demo. We're going to use in most of our demos the Lambda Test Selenium Playground, which is an excellent resource in order to practice your Selenium knowledge. And here we have a page called Bootstrap Modals, where this is a modal dialog box. So the modal dialog boxes can be built using different web frameworks. For our demos, we will use Bootstrap framework, which is here, right? Bootstrap, which offers Bootstrap modal window, and the modal dialog boxes get displayed on top of your current page. Due to this, modal boxes need to be interacted with first before moving to the current web page. Like in our example. So we need to click it and then we can continue. So the Bootstrap framework is very popular, it's free, it's open source, it's a CSS framework that is highly used in web page development, especially for responsive and mobile first web pages. It contains HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And a modal dialog box written with Bootstrap is found with three key components. Namely, first, you have the trigger, which is the element which triggers the modal window to be shown on the web page. It can be any link on the web page or any button, etc. Then you have the modal, which is likely holding an area for the actual modal window code that will come up when the trigger element is interacted with. When we inspect the element, and if I zoom in, you will see that we have here this div with ID myModal. This is the modal that is holding the area. And then we have the modal content. This is the actual code and the content with which the window is formed and displayed as per the implementation. This is usually hidden here, especially in Bootstrap. It's here in this div with class modal body. So we're going to work with these three in our demos. So when writing automated tests that contain modal dialog boxes, we first find the modal window using WebDriver, then identify the modal content inside of it to perform the actions. So in our first demo, we are going to launch this web page. Then we are going to find this particular button. There are two ways how you can do that, since it doesn't have any ID. We can find it by text using find elements, and then maybe we can get the first one because there are two of them. Second way is to use this unique title here and then find the button using XPath access. Or if we zoom in, you will see that we have for the buttons or links that are used as triggers, we have this data/target attribute. So we can write an XPath. Here we can test it. We can create it like this, //button, then we name the attribute data target with add up front, and then here I will paste my modal. This will be our unique XPath to launch the button. After we launch the button, first we'll have to wait for modal to appear, because in certain cases, depending on where your server is, it might be slow. So you might be, I will show you how we can use WebDriver wait to wait for the modal to appear. And then as we discuss, we first are going to find this or this div, it doesn't matter. So we can find it by ID here, myModal, or you can directly find this by class modal dialog. It's up to you, it's the same. Then our second thing will be to find the content, which is the modal body, And then inside of it, using XPath, I will show you a little bit of a trick to search inside other elements. We're going to locate the text and the buttons.